wala kang itago. So, totoo lang talaga. Your name, age, everything. Kasi...
Again, age?
Your name, age, hindi. Kasi kasama sa...
Lost.
Ano naisip ka? Let's answer the questions today na parang hindi pa natin kilala. First question is, aside from Ilocos, para sa'yo, saan ba yung suitable place na mangyari o maganap yung first encounter? Vibes naman na yun, ng beach, may sunset.
Very chill.
Nighttime, tapos
Gusto mo daytime?
talaga?
So ikaw, or sabi mo ba ito ang age mo? Or ano pa? Pangalan mo? Are you gonna give your real name or what?
Ako, I think from the start, dapat baka totoo ka. Diba the first time you meet someone, it's a big deal kasi first impressions last. So, better you be honest from the start para no hiccups along the way.
Ako, lagi naman ako straight to the point. Yeah. Yes. Kahit younger.
Or activities.
Siguro mas maganda kung may activities. Like, let's say, anything na masayang gawin. Hiking, jet ski, basta yung mga fun.
But the daytime activity, dapat may ginagawa kayo. Siyempre, kung by the beach, yung mga water sports, water activities. Anything that's possible or pwede gawin. Kasi yung chill time, usap time, there's always naman time for that. Inuman time.
So, remember si Celine and si Gina? Diba meron silang souvenir sa isa't isa? So, ikaw, ano yung souvenir na may
Pili ko a photo. That would be the nicest, the sweetest thing.
You know, actually, nahilig ako sa pictures talaga. Ever since, wala pang social media, nahilig na ako talaga mag-take ng photos for memories. Like, artsy photos and like
to end our first encounter. Quiet scene lang ba? Walang paalaman? French exit? Or... Ikaw?
Gusto ko pa rin yung proper goodbye. Yung siyempre, parang formality. And he wants to get my number. Of course, diba? Why not?
All the same. Dapat you're on the same page.
Yes.
Para hindi kayo maalis na nag-iisip na parang there's supposed to be something more, but hindi siya nagparamdam. But hindi ako baka mag-regret ka.
Yes. Pero I prefer yung guy pa rin.
Tama naman. Pero sa Hilario?
At ako po si Christine Reyes bilang Celine Cristobal.
Iniimbitahan po namin kayong panoorin ang Pinoy adaptation ng isa sa highest rated K-dramas.
Ang pag-ibig na nagsimula sa